Welcome to Cook with Sonali. Today I am going to show you how to store coriander leaves and green chili. So let's get started. At first take a bunch of fresh coriander leaves. Now cut the root with the help of a sharp knife. Then separate the root from it. Make sure your coriander leaves must be fresh and completely dry. Now keep it aside. Now place the kitchen tissue. Take small portions of coriander leaves. Slightly cover with the kitchen tissue. And keep it in an airtight container. Likewise, I will cover all the coriander leaves. Now cover the container and keep it in refrigerator. You can store these coriander leaves for about 25 to 30 days. Now I will show you how to store green chili. Take some green chilies and pluck off the stem. Now take a airtight container. Place the tissue paper into it. Then put the green chili into this container and cover it with another tissue paper. Now cover the container and keep it in refrigerator. You can store this chili for a long time. After 20 days, now I will open the box and see how fresh is the coriander leaves. I found some bad leaves, so remove the bad leaves. Now you can use these coriander leaves. Now again cover it and keep it in this box. Same way I will open the green chili box and see green chili is so fresh. Hope this method helps your home kitchen. And for more kitchen tips and tricks, please do subscribe to my